Okay, welcome back. Now this is session number 15, okay? And we are continuing from where we left off. Now you would remember that we did question 4, Jim wishes to turf his front garden. And you have that on session 14, okay? This is now session 15, okay? So what I want to do is to continue looking at how we calculate these measurements and these values in regards to given a question. So the cash register at the local supermarket shows £7.29 when Neil's shopping bill is totaled, but he has six money off coupons. Three coupons are for 15p, one is for 50p, and the rest are for 5p. Now remember the total of coupons he has six, okay? How much will Neil be asked to pay? Okay, let's read this again so we can understand what we're looking at and what we're trying to say. Let me bring it up to you a little bit, okay? Okay. Repeating this again, the cash register at the local supermarket shows £7.29 when Neil's shopping bill is totaled, but he has six money off coupons. Three coupons are for 15p, one is for 50p, and the rest are for 5p. How much will Neil be asked to pay? Okay, so let's look at that. Now, question is very good and quite clear. How much is Neil going to pay for his shopping, taking into account his vouchers that he has? So you need to take into account all the vouchers that Neil has. So let's begin to get our pens in place and let's begin to look at extracting the information. Okay, so this is the one we're dealing with, okay? This is what we're dealing with, okay? Right? This is where I'm going to be doing my working out and so forth, down here, okay? Okay. Right, so let me change my color of my pen. Okay. Now, what have I got? I got the cash register at the local supermarket shows £7.29. So let's extract the information we need. This one first, okay? £7.29. New shopping bill is total, but he has six money off vouchers. Let's look at this money off voucher because it is money, okay? Money off. Okay. Three coupons are for 15p. One is for 50p, okay, so let's get this into place. And the rest are for 5p. And that is our 5p down here. How much will Neil be asked to pay? Okay, so let's start with what we have. £7 and 29p. Okay. Now let's extract our information that we have, and hopefully I don't make any mistakes this time around. Okay, Cash register at the local market shows 709. Free coupons are worth 15 pence, so we have free equals to 15p. Okay. One is worth 50p, and we have one which is equal to 50 pence. Okay. One at 50p, and the rest are at 5p. And the other is at 5p. So we are free. Let's make sure we're free at 15p. 4. And he has 6 money off coupons altogether, so there's 2 at 5p. Let's check that, okay, and let's make sure we add this up correctly, okay, and 2 at 5p. Okay, yes, okay. Okay. Right, now 3, 4, 5, 6. So and here we can that's met. He has 6 money off coupons. So what we need to do is add this up. So that's going to equal to 3 times 5 is 15. That should equal to 45 pence. Okay. Okay, that should equal 45 pence. Okay, this is equal to 50 pence. And this is equal to 10 pence. So we add these up together. What do we have? 0, 0, and 5 is 5. 5 and 4 is 9, 1 is 10. That's £1 and 5 pence we have. So putting a line down that side there for me, so we can put it into a different section. We have £7 and 29 pence. take away minus £1 and 5 pence, minus £1 and 0.5 pence. We add this up, we subtract this, okay? 5 from 9 leaves 4, 0 from 2 leaves 2, 1 from 7 leaves 6. So he's going to have to pay, so Neil will have to pay £6.24. Okay, that's what Neil will have to pay, £6.24. Okay, and if I made a mistake here, I apologize, but please don't hold it against me. I'm not always correct, and I'm not perfect. I may be handsome and good looking, yes, but not perfect. Okay. Okay. Now, I don't want to take this too long because there's quite a bit here, but I want to finish this off if I can. So let me just shrink this page down a little bit. Okay, and let's get it all into play and look at the question that we're looking at. Okay, that's the question we're dealing with. Okay, okay, you've done all the others already. Okay, so I don't need to go back to that, but this is the one we're looking at now. Okay. Excellent work, thank you. Okay, right, what I want to do is to leave that now, and we're going to complete this. So let me do Tom has traveled 423 miles, and let's look at that one now. Okay, so make sure now, please write out this work. Do not just think you can learn it off the screen. You must write out the work and make it your own. Write it out, write it out, write it out, write it out, again and again and again. Thank you. Okay, let me just clean this up now. Let me get my eraser and clean this up. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 6, the last one. Okay, and we're going to look at use my pen. We're going to look at this one here now. Okay, and again, this is session 15. Okay, again, get my pen. Let's mark up what we have. We have this here. Okay, we have 11.75. Okay, we have okay. Okay, now what we're looking for here, and I'm going to again be working down here. Okay, so what we're looking for here is Tom has traveled 423 miles in his car and has used 11.75 gallons of petrol. What is the car's petrol consumption in miles per gallon? Okay, now that is a very simple question, but very difficult if you don't know the answer. Okay, so I'm moving quite clearly so you can get to see it. Okay, and I'm moving back now. So let's begin to do the calculation for this process. Okay, now again, let us extract our information. Okay, yeah, let's extract our information. So let's look at what we have here. Okay, we have 423 miles. Okay, and we have 11.75 gallons. Okay, right, so what we need to do, we have to divide this. Okay, we have to divide this, and I'm not trying to think of an easier way of doing this actually, but so what we're going to do, we need to put this into a bracket. So let's just draw our line down. Okay, okay, let me get my new colored pen. Okay, and let me look at what. So let me draw my brackets in. Put in 423. Now this is interesting. If I move my decimal point two places to the right, okay, I will then, and I'm going to divide by 11.75. But you can't really divide by 11.75. It doesn't really work like that. So I've got to move my decimal point somewhere here, two places to the right, which brings this to 1,175. Okay. So what I'm saying here now is okay. So if I divide this by 1,175, that doesn't do me any good. So I'm going to remove that. So I'm moving my decimal point for two places to the right, which gives me my 1,175. Okay, and that's the one I'm working on with. Okay, and I'm just extending my brackets so you can see what I'm doing, hopefully. Okay, I'm leaving that in the same place. Okay, okay, sorry, 5. So 1,175 into 423 cannot go. But because it's a whole number, I add a naught. Then I say 1,175 into 4,230 goes how many times? So 4,230 divided by 1,175 equals goes 3 times. Okay. Now what's the remainder? So the remainder is going to be the remainder is going to be 705. So the remainder here is going to be 705. So I'm going to put my 705 here. 1,175 into 705 can't go. I add a 0. So I've moved my decimal point from here to here, 2 places to the right. I made it 1,175. I said 1,175 into 423 could not go, so I had a 0. I didn't put a 0 up here, I put a 0 here because these are whole numbers, okay? The remainder is 705, okay? 1,175 into 7,050 goes 6 times. Therefore, and please note this symbol means therefore, okay? That symbol means therefore in mathematics, okay? Therefore, that is equal to 36 miles per gallon. Miles mph, miles per mpg, okay? mpg, okay? Miles per gallon, okay? And that is our answer. Feel free to modify, change it as you wish. Find your own way of interpreting it and bringing it to its conclusion, okay? Right? But there's nothing wrong with you applying your own methods of learning. So each person has a different style of learning. Find your style of learning and apply it, okay? I'm not saying that my way is the right way for you. It may not be the right way for you, but it's the right way for me as an individual, okay? Okay, excellent. Thank you. Okay, I think that'll be us for today. And we go on to accuracy in regards to work in the next session, okay? Right. Let's clean this down, okay? So let me take this off now, okay? Session 15 this is, okay? I'll repeat session 15. Goodness me, okay. Session 15, good. I'll just clean this up. Okay, there we are. Clean as a whistle. Okay, thank you. And that will be us. So what we're going to be looking at next time round is going to be the accuracy of certain measurements that we can look at, okay, and how to make measurements more accurate for ourselves and to make it easier to read overall, okay. Okay, that was session 15. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye for now. Thank you.